Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit HTML in Google Chrome and save it locally. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, navigate to the website where you want to edit the HTML. This could be any web page you'd like to modify for testing, learning, or personal use. Once you're on the desired web page, right-click anywhere on the page or specifically on the element you want to edit. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, click on Inspect. This action will open Chrome's developer tools, typically at the bottom or side of your browser window. The developer tools are powerful built-in features that let you examine and modify the structure of any web page in real time. Now that the developer tools are open, you'll see the HTML structure of the page displayed in the Elements tab. This is where you can start making your edits. To modify any specific HTML tag, simply right-click directly on the HTML element you want to change within the developer tools panel. A menu will appear, and from there, click on Edit as HTML. This option allows you to make direct changes to the HTML code, whether you want to alter text, change tags, or modify attributes. Go ahead and start making your edits in the HTML editor that appears. You can type freely, add new elements, or remove existing ones. As you make changes, you'll notice they're reflected immediately on the web page in your browser. This gives you a live preview of how your modifications look, which is incredibly useful for testing design changes or experimenting with different layouts. Once you're satisfied with your edits and want to save them locally, press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut triggers the Save dialog, allowing you to download the modified HTML file to your computer. A window will pop up, prompting you to choose where you want to save the file. Navigate through your folders and locate the folder where you want to save your edited HTML file. Give your file a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Make sure the file extension remains .html to ensure it opens properly in browsers. Finally, click the Save button. Your edited HTML file is now saved locally on your computer, and you can open it anytime with any browser to view your changes. This method is perfect for experimenting with web design, learning HTML, or creating custom versions of web pages for offline use. And there you have it. You've successfully edited HTML in Google Chrome and saved it to your local machine. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.